Hello friends, it's Brolin again with another iFly GPS quick tip. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to view winds aloft in iFly. To start off with, we're going to go to map mode and click on high res winds. Once we've added that, if you look in the bottom right, you have a time slider. It's going to give you up to the minute both winds aloft and forecasted winds aloft, as you can see with the wind barbs. As well, right below that, we have the altitude that bottoms out at 1.5 thousand feet and goes all the way up to 42,000 feet. Now, if you want to make sure that you have updated winds, click on the gear icon next to high-res winds and update the weather from the internet. That then allows you to get updated weather. As always, my friends, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always reach out to us via email, support@adventurepilot.com. Otherwise, you can give us a shout at 214-585-0444. Thanks, and I'll see you up there.